Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health with just a quick tutorial video on folding our Vive folding pedal exerciser. Now, it's very simple here. On the underside of the front and back, you're going to see these two little metal rings. These metal rings are connected through the frame to pins that'll stick out here. So what you'll do is lift up one side, pull that pin, and fold the leg in. Just the same on the other. Pull, fold, and it's folded up just like that. This will likely be how the device will come when you take it out of the box. The tension knob will probably be removed, but that's easy to install. When it's folded, it's very simple. Just pull the leg up until this pin locks into place in the hole right here. Just like that. Lift that up. Get that to lock in place, and you'll be able to feel whether or not it's locked in. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if it's been helpful.